Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the 500 internal server error in the Chrome browser. So let's go quick into the process on how we can fix that. In the Windows search bar right here, type Chrome, which stands for Google Chrome. Simply click on that under the best match. Now, once the Google Chrome browser is opened, you have to click on the three dots at the top right corner. And then you have to scroll down to the bottom and you'll find settings, the one with the gear-like symbol. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on privacy and security. Then here you'll find delete browsing data, delete history, cookies, cache, and more. Click on that. So you have two options on how you can delete the browsing data. It could be basic or advanced. Now go to advanced. Time range, change that to all time. Browsing history checked, download history checked, cookies and other site data checked, cached images and files checked, site settings checked, hosted updated checked, but do not check the passwords and the autofill form data. Then finally click on delete data. Still in the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on Reset Settings, restore settings to the original defaults. So do not worry if you are going to take this action because this will not affect your bookmarks, history, and saved passwords. So just simply click on Reset Settings and then close the Chrome browser and then I'll launch it again if the issue will be fixed. If it is not working for you, then move to the next method. In the Windows search bar right here, type ncpa.cpl, control panel item, simply click on that. Now here in the network connections window, you need to locate your Wi-Fi or your connection. It could be Ethernet. Well, the process is just the same. Make a right click, select properties. Then here in the Wi-Fi properties window, you need to click on the Internet Protocol version 4. Click on properties. Then here you'll find this option. Use the following DNS server addresses. Click on that. For the preferred DNS server, type here 8.8.8.8. For the alternate DNS server, type here 8.8.4.4, which is the Google's DNS, one of the greatest DNS. Then you have to click on OK and then close this and also close this window. And if the issue persists, then we can reinstall the application. So click on the Start button, go to Settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on the Apps, Installed Apps. Then you'll find Google Chrome. Simply click on the three dots, select Uninstall, and then uninstall once again. We can also check this box, delete your browsing data, click Uninstall. Now once uninstalled, then we need to reinstall it again. So simply open the browser, your Microsoft Edge browser, which is the default browser of your Windows. Just simply type Chrome, download, and you'll find this option from www.google.com. Click on that. And simply click this button, download Chrome, and this will download the setup file for you. So once this is downloaded, then you just have to simply click on it, close the browser, and then this will reinstall the Google Chrome browser for you. So once done, then you can just simply enjoy the Chrome browser again. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.